Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to crochet the post checker stripes pattern. For this pattern, you're going to need to know how to do a single crochet and a front post double crochet. If you need help with that, you can check down in the description below for my videos on how to do those techniques. So to get started, you want to chain multiples of 3 plus 1. For this video, I'm just going to do a quick 10 chains. So for row 1, row 1 and row 2 are exactly the same. You're going to start off by chaining 1 and you're going to single crochet in every single stitch all the way to the end and turn your work. Once you're at the end of row 2 though, you are going to join your second color. So what I like to do is leave 2 loops on my hook and then pull through to finish off my single crochet. And then that just kind of fastens it, makes the edges look nice. So for row 3, you're going to chain 1 and then jump straight into the repeat of 2 single crochets in the next 2 stitches and then a front post double crochet. But what I like to do with my first single crochet is I'm going to insert my needle just like normal, or my hook, sorry. Then I'm going to take my blue yarn and I'm just going to wrap that around just that stitch, because then it kind of gives it a much smoother side so I can continue pulling my work all the way up the sides of my work. So you've done your first 2 single crochets. Now for the front post, we're going to go in through one side and out through the other. So I'll show you what this looks like. You're going to get your yarn on your hook just like you would for a double crochet. Then you're going to go in and out. And that creates the front post double crochet. So again, it's in, out, and then double crochet just as normal, which I seem to be struggling with today. Then if you look at your work, this stitch right here, we're not going to work that because that's the stitch that got ignored for the double crochet front post. So then again, the repeat for this pattern is going to be single crocheting in the next 2 stitches followed by a front post double crochet. So again, it's in and out. And this is repeated all the way to the end. Then you will single crochet in the very last stitch and then you will turn your work. So again, it's going to be in, out. And this is actually the hardest part of the pattern. The second part of this pattern is actually very easy. So I'm just working on my double crochet. Again, it seemed to have been a difficult task for me today to film this. We all have our off days. And then we finish with a single crochet. And we turn our work. So for row 4, you're just chaining 1 and single crocheting in every stitch. And then you'll join your first color yarn. And I'm doing this again, just like before, to where I leave my first 2 loops on and then pull through with my new color. Then you are going to chain 1, and just like before, I'm going to turn my work. And for my first single crochet, I'm just going to take my green yarn and loop it over my hook, and then single crochet as normal. And again, this is just to give it a nice smoother edge to your work. So the repeat for this row is going to be 2 single crochets in the next 2 stitches and then a front post double crochet. But this time around, we're just going to be working in the post that we created before. So that's what makes this so much easier, is you're literally just putting your hook straight through the back of that front post double crochet. Just like that. Very easy. So you'll work that, you'll ignore that stitch in the back just like before. That doesn't count as a stitch. And then you'll just keep doing your 2 single crochets followed by a front post double crochet. And you repeat that all the way to the end of your work. And then you finish off your work with a single crochet. Then you chain 1, and row 6, you just single crochet in every single stitch and change your yarn. You will repeat rows 2 through 6 until you get your desired size for your pattern. And there you have it. That's how you do the post checker stripes stitch pattern. If you found this video helpful, please do give it a like, and I look forward to seeing you in the next crochet video. Have a happy crochet day.